Let's dive in. The first metal 3D printer aboard the International Space Station successfully dribbled out a molten S-curve last Thursday in what the European Space Agency is calling a giant leap forward in orbit manufacturing. Combining a high-power laser and stainless steel wire, an Airbus-built metal 3D printer deposited its first liquefied test lines inside the ESA's Columbus research module. For safety reasons, the machine operated in a fully sealed box, preventing excess heat or fumes from escaping, the agency wrote, adding that the laser on the printer is about 1,000,000 times more powerful than a standard laser pointer. Microgravity researchers at the French Space Agency CNES oversaw the project remotely from facilities in Toulouse alongside Airbus and the ESA. The quality is as good as we could dream, said Airbus lead system engineer for the project, Sébastien Giraud.